Hi everyone and welcome back, it's James. Today I'm going to show you how to teach your Japanese students how to sing Jingle Bells in English. To my right is a set of flashcards. Jingle Bells. Allow me to sing it for you without any background music. Obviously I don't want any copyright strikes, and then I'll bring up the camera so that you can see the pictures more clearly. Alright, here it goes. Okay, so this is Jingle Bells. And this is my rendition of Jingle Bells. I'm going to sing it one time for you. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, all the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, now for this version, I'll stop up to here. Okay, now I'm going to bring up the cards. Okay, so dashing through the snow, yuki no naka hashiteru. In a one-horse open sleigh. Sleigh is sori, horse is uma. Sori to uma de iteimasu. Over the fields we go. I just change it to all the fields we go, or you can say over the fields we go, because or is actually over. You know that, right? Anyway, all the fields we go, subite no hiroba iku toki. Pardon my translation. Laughing all the way, zutto warateru. Bells on bobtail ring. Bobtail is uma no shippo. Okay, bells is, well, they know what that is, but it's also suzume in Japanese. Ring is naru, so oton ni nattemasu. Making spirits bright, minna genki ni natteru. So bright means akaraku. Spirits is day or your konjo. What fun it is to ride and sing. Sing is utau, ride is noru. So, utattari, nottari, tanoshii desu. A sleighing song tonight. Tonight is konya no sori no uta. Then, for this part, it's easy. All Japanese kids know this part. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride, again, in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, now allow me to show you how to teach this to your Japanese students. So on the back, I've numbered them from 1 to 12. So you can do the same thing. Everyone look at James. Look at James. Do you know the song Jingle Bells? Oh, sometimes they'll say shitteru, which means I know it. Ah, okay. Say, I know it. I know it. Good. Another kid will say it in katakana English, jinguru bellu. Okay, stop right there. Not jinguru bellu. Okay, that's grossing me out. Sorry. We are going to sing Jingle Bells in English. First, let me explain it to you. Mazu, setsumei shimasu. Dashing through the snow, yuki no naka hashiteru. In a one-horse open sleigh. It's a good idea to point to the words. In a one-horse open sleigh. Sleigh? What's sleigh? Yes, right. Sleigh. This kid will say, sorry, yes, it's sleigh in English, or sleigh, but in this case, just stick with sleigh. Horse? Good. Of course, that's uma. So in a one-horse open sleigh, sori to uma de itemasu. All the fields we go, すべての広場行くとき、laughing all the way, ずっと笑ってる。Bells on bobtail ring. Bobtail is a horse's tail. Do you know horse's tail? Good. Tail means 尻尾, right? Horse's tail, 馬の尻尾. Bells on bobtail ring, 馬の尻尾についてる bell, 音になってます。Sorry. Making spirits bright. みんなに元気になってる。What fun it is to ride and sing. Sing and ride. Okay, so they should know. Sing, what sing? Yes, without. And ride. Right? Noru, good. So, 歌ったり、乗ったり、楽しいです。A sleighing song tonight. Okay, so tonight is at night. 今夜. No. Sleighing song is そりの歌. Okay, so 今夜のそりの歌. I'm not sure if this translation is correct, but they understand it. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. And then go back. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Okay? And they'll probably say it in Japanese, muzui or muzukashii. Okay, that means it's hard, it's difficult. Don't worry. You are going to repeat after me. What's repeat after me? Kurikaisu. Right. Okay? We want them to get the pronunciation right, get the rhythm right. So, and you as a teacher, be cheerful. Okay? Because they read your vibe. Okay, so get into it. Even though you're not really into it, just get into it. Get some Jingle Bells background music. For this video, I'm just showing you how I would teach my students this song, Jingle Bells, because it's getting close to Christmas season. All right, so everybody, are you ready? Don't worry, I will sing it slowly, okay? So repeat after me. Dashing through the snow. Everybody repeat. Dashing through the snow. Good, okay? Praise them. In a one-horse open sleigh. In a one-horse open sleigh. Good. All the fields we go. Good. Laughing all the way. Great. Bells on bobtail ring. Great. Making spirits bright. Excellent. What fun it is to ride and sing. Great. A sleighing song tonight. Oh, let's sing it. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, excellent job. Merry Christmas. Give me five. And test them before Christmas comes. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Bye.